Hello, my name is Fabrizio Trifoglio. I'm the product manager for wall fans in SKOV, and I have more than 20 years of experience in ventilation system. The right dimensioning of the motor, combined with the direct drive application, assures that the fan has a very high range of pressure stability. Having the pressure stability helps the fan working in all the conditions, even if there are windy conditions outside. Direct-driven design, without the use of any belt, helps to reduce all the maintenance costs. This fan is maintenance-free. In SKOV, we take care of the small details. This frame has been designed to close any gap in the wall and prevent water leakage. The square-shaped design of the cone allows you to optimize the installation space, having the possibility to install the different fans near each other without losing space in the wall. The flexible cone has been tested in a wind tunnel to evaluate the resistance also in a very heavy windy condition. So we can prove and we are sure that this fan can withstand with the harsh environment without any risk of damage.